Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. So in this video we will cover Padma Awards for 2020 which is released today. So the entire information about Padma Awards in English will be given to you in this video. I don't think if you watch the video completely, I don't think you will miss any question according to Padma Awards or Padma Awards 2021. So in this video I will cover a little about Padma Awards history, as well as the persons who got Padma Awards for 2021 and why did they get. So these things we will discuss in this video. So watch the video completely so that you will get the entire information about Padma Awards, and share with your friends so that they can also watch the Padma Awards, which is very important topic about all government exams. So this is my channel Current Affairs for You. So this is the logo. So let's begin today's Padma Awards for 2021. So first let's talk about Padma Awards and the history of it. So Padma Awards, which is one of the highest civilian award of our country, of our Indian country. So you can see it is in the picture. These are Padma Awards. So these are three in categories. So the highest civilian award in India is Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. If you rank awards, Bharat Ratna will get first rank, like that. So it is the highest civilian award. And the second one is Padma Vibhushan, and the third one is Padma Bhushan, and the fourth one Padma Shri. So Padma Awards, which are three in types. So Padma Vibhushan you can see in the picture. So this is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. So these are three different types of Padma Awards. So next, this is the brief history about Padma Awards. So now, to whom these are awarded? Now, who will get Padma Vibhushan and who will get Padma Bhushan and who will get Padma Shri? Now, Padma Vibhushan will be given for exceptional and distinguished service. Exceptional and distinguished service. And Padma Bhushan, PB is nothing but Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan will be given to distinguished service of higher order. Distinguished service of higher order. Padma Shri will be given to distinguished service in any field. So these three. Now you understood that whom will get Padma Awards. Now when do these awards are announced? So you may get a question, when do these awards are announced? So you can easily remember what is today. Today is 26th January, which is Republic Day of India, 72nd Republic Day. So on 26th January every year these awards, Padma Awards, will be given. Now who will give these Padma Awards? Padma Awards will be given by or conferred by President of India. Now who is the President of India? He is Ramnath Kovind. Now Padma Awards will be announced in the month of January, which is January 26th, the Republic Day of India, and these awards will be given in the month of March or April. In the month of March or April, these awards will be given in Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is in Delhi, by President of India. Now the present president is Ramnath Kovind. Now let's get some more information about Padma Awards. So in which year these awards started giving? This is first question. And the next one is, what were the old names of these awards? So let's get some more information about these two questions now. In 1954, in the year of 1954, Indian government instituted two major awards. One is Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian award. Time and again I'm telling you, this is very important. Highest civilian award of India is Bharat Ratna. Second highest civilian award is Padma Vibhushan. Now Padma Awards and Bharat Ratna are instituted by Indian government in the same year, which is 1954. Now the second question here I asked is, what were the old names of these awards? So I told you just now, these are three in category. So the first one is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. These are the new names that we know, but old names are Pehla Varg, Dusra Varg, Tisra Varg. These were renamed to Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri in the year of 1955. these Padma Vibhushan, Padma Vibhushan, पहला वर्ग renamed to Padma Vibhushan, दूसरा वर्ग as Padma Bhushan, तीसरा वर्ग as Padma Shri in the year of 1955. Very important. We can expect a question like this. Next, who are eligible and who are not eligible for these awards? Now, a question may rise in our mind that who will get Padma awards. So government servants, including PSU. PSU is nothing but public sector undertaking. So these are not eligible, but doctors and scientists are eligible for this Padma awards. So government servants are not eligible, but doctors and scientists are eligible. Next, so now let's talk about Padma awards 2020, which is very important in any kind of government exams. So the first, the major awards that has been given in the year of 2021, which starts with Padma awards. So Padma awards 2021, let's talk some important numbers. You should remember these also. So the total number of awardees is 119, including Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. The total recipients of Padma awards for 2021 is 119. Now Padma Vibhushan 7. So 7 awards will be, 7 recipients will be there this year. Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan will be given to 10 members, and Padma Shri will be given to 102. So we should, it's need not to remember all the 119 names and their fields and their countries or state. The only important thing is these two, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan. Later we are going to discuss about these things. So Padma Vibhushan, who got this year, what is their country or what is their nationality or what is their state, and why they got this. Now the total number of women awardees, out of 119, 29 are women, and 16 are given posthumous. Posthumous means after death. So 16 people were awarded after death, which is called posthumous. Next, the number of transgender awardees 1. So once again you remember, the total number of awards is 119. Out of 119, Padma Vibhushan 7, Padma Bhushan 10, Padma Shri 102, and total number of women 29, total number of posthumous awards 16, and total number of transgenders, which is only 1. Next, so now let's discuss about Padma Vibhushan, which is very, 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 very important, crucial in your exam, because you can remember easily. Now, how many Padma Vibhushan will be given in this year? 7 are awarded. 7 people are awarded. Now the first one, Shri Shinzo Abe, he got for public affairs, in the field of public affairs. And to which country he belongs to? He belongs to Japan. Now, very important person, Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam, posthumously, means after death, he was announced for Padma Vibhushan this year. Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam, in the field of art, and he belongs to Tamil Nadu. Next, third one, Dr. Belle Monappa Hedge. He got this in the field of medicine, and he belongs to Karnataka. Belle Monappa Hedge, medicine, Karnataka. Next, so the question it can come about the name or in the field, or they may ask state or country. So that's why I kept 3 here. Next, fourth one, Shri Narendra Singh Kapani. He also got posthumously. Now you can see Padma Vibhushan awarded 2 recipients are posthumous. Okay. Next, Shri Narendra Singh Kapani, he got this award for in the field of science and engineering. He belongs to USA. And next, Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, 5th person, and the field is others. If you want more, it is spiritualism, and he belongs to Delhi. Next, Shri B.B. Lal, he also got in the field others, archaeology. He also belongs to Delhi. Sri Sudarshan Sahu, in the field of art he was awarded this, and he belongs to Odisha state. He belongs to Odisha, very important. So these are the Padma Vibhushan. So in the upcoming videos, in the upcoming current affair videos, I will try to keep these names as options so that you will it's like a revision. So next, Padma Bhushan, which is awarded to 10 members this year. In this slide we will discuss about 5, and the next slide 5. So the first one, Miss Krishnan Nair Shanta Kumari Chitra. So you can just remember Chitra. So Krishnan Nair Shanta Kumari Chitra, in the field of art she belongs to Kerala. Tarun Gogoi, he got posthumously in the field of public affairs. He belongs to Assam. Sri Chandrasekhar Kambara, he got this award in the field of literature, and he belongs to literature education. He belongs to Karnataka. Next, Miss Sumitra Mahajan, very important. Sumitra Mahajan, she got in public affairs category, and Madhya Pradesh she belongs to. Shri Nripendra Mishra, he got civil service field, and he is from Uttar Pradesh. So you can take a screenshot of it, or you can write it anywhere in the notes. Very important, Padma Bhushan. 5 we discussed. Next 5, Shri Ram Vilas Paswan, posthumous award, public affairs, Bihar. He belongs to Bihar. Ram Vilas Paswan, posthumously he got this award in the field of public affairs. He belongs to Bihar. Shri Keshubai Patel, posthumously public affairs, Gujarat. Keshubai Patel, posthumously public affairs, Gujarat. In my recent current affairs I told you about this person, Keshubai Patel. So posthumously he got. Next, Shri Kalbe Sadiq, he is also got posthumously. So in the field of spiritualism he belongs to Uttar Pradesh. Shri Rajnikant Devidas Shroff, trade and industry field, Maharashtra state. Shri Tarlochan Singh, in the field of public affairs, and he belongs to Haryana. So these are the 10 awardees of Padma Bhushan in the year of 2021. Now Padma Shri awarded to 102 this year, 102. So the total 119. So out of 119, Padma Shri will be given to 102 by President Ramnath Kovind. So we cannot remember 102, but if any member it is there like very important, if there is any news about them, I will cover it in the daily regular current affairs which I make every day. So if you don't watch those videos, watch it every day, so you will get the entire information. So you don't forget, you will be connected to current affairs every day. So I think this is the information about Padma Awards 2021 and the history of Padma Awards. Hope you guys like the video, and share with your friends compulsory, and support my channel. Thank you friends.